The most effective mosquito treatment that nobody talks about, and 3 proven hacks that help keep your yard mosquito free. Let's go. This homeowner can't even come out and enjoy his backyard. And you can see he has a beautiful outdoor space. He has a grill, he has a smoker over here, outdoor kitchen. These chairs, super nice. I mean, just a beautiful home right here on the bayou. Look at this, beautiful view. This is a customer of ours that called up and said, I just can't enjoy my backyard. I can't enjoy hanging out with my family and my friends, and I need some relief. We've been in the pest control business since 1977. We know what works and we know what doesn't work. And we found something that can absolutely solve your mosquito problem. And it's not candles, and it's not generic sprays. It's not a bug zapper. Let me tell you what it is. It is an automatic mosquito misting system. It looks just like this. We have installed this system on multiple properties that have had infestations of mosquitoes and no-see-ums, what we would call midges. They will literally eat you alive. And I'm telling you, where the candles and the bug zappers and the sprays have fallen short, this system right here has proven time and time and time again to be the most effective mosquito treatment we've ever seen. First of all, we have this drum right here. It's a 55-gallon drum. We fill it full of water, and we have a product in there. And the product that we put in there is called Vector Ban Plus. I'm gonna put it right here for you. You can go check it out. You can buy these units directly from Mistaway. You can buy all their products directly from Mistaway. They will sell them to you, but it will be with a price increase because you're not an authorized dealer, but you can still buy these products and install them yourself if you want to. But I would probably recommend getting a professional. But if you're a little handy, you can do it. It's not a problem. But this system right here, we fill it full of water. This is just a basic rundown. And you have your control system here, and you program it. So we got our day and we got our time. We can customize this program to come on one time a day. We got it coming on at least one time for 60 seconds at 5 o'clock in the morning. The next cycle is going to be another 60 seconds at 4 p.m. We have a remote control, which this is the remote that comes with it. Anytime that you feel like you need an extra spray, just hit that remote, it'll go off for 60 seconds. This is totally customizable. You can use the remote to come on for 90 seconds or 60 seconds, however long that you feel like you need it. You can customize this system to do that. Also too, you can customize the intervals. You can have it come on 4 times a day for 60 seconds a piece, 90 seconds a piece. You can customize this to come on anytime during the day, any day of the week. It's completely customizable. I always set it to come on every single day, once in the morning and once in the early afternoon. That's when your mosquitoes and all your no-see-ums are going to be actually moving around a little bit more often. And those are the times you're really wanting to be outside. You want to be drinking coffee, grilling out, swimming by the pool. You'll be able to hang out there and you will not have any problems at all. But this is the basic system right here, okay? And so you can see we just filled this unit up. This is a brand new unit that we just installed, and we got the level that is high. And so whenever it's time to mist, it comes through this high pressure tubing, which we actually just buried in the ground right here. Then you can see that we have a T here, a T compression fitting, and we got it going up this wall here. We have it fastened with these zip ties, and it goes up, and then it goes over top of this right here, all the way to the other side. But we got this one coming underneath the ground, and we chose to go with white on this fence to match. This is a 90. And then this is what the nozzles look like. These are the Hago nozzles. I prefer these over the slimline nozzles. These put out more volume. Also, too, they make a slimline nozzle, which they get clogged up very, very, very easily. That's why I love these nozzles, because they don't get clogged up very often. It takes a lot for them to get clogged up. So these are the nozzles. We just attach it to the fence here, all the way around. And you can see that this sawgrass here produces a lot of mosquitoes, and also this vegetation right here. He has a lot of mosquitoes in this area. Matter of fact, this homeowner can't even come out and enjoy his backyard. And you can see he has a beautiful outdoor space. He has a grill, he has a smoker over here, outdoor kitchen, these chairs, super nice. I mean, just a beautiful home right here on the bayou. Look at this beautiful view. This is a customer of ours that called up and said, I just can't enjoy my backyard. I can't enjoy hanging out with my family and my friends, and I need some relief. And so he called us up, and we just installed this, and he's going to be super thrilled with it. But if you have an outdoor space like this, I'm telling you, this is going to be the ticket. This is literally the most effective mosquito treatment I've ever seen, okay, ever seen. And it really, really works. And every house that we've ever installed this on, we've never had any problems. We've had 0 complaints, and we have several of these out in our area. And once we install one in one area, man, and someone finds out about it, they're telling their friends, okay? But I will say this, the only drawback to this system is that it's not cheap. This is not a cheap alternative, but you get what you pay for. You're gonna get what you pay for. So you're gonna pay anywhere from $3,200 to $3,500 for a basic install of about 20 to 25 nozzles, okay? I know that sounds like a lot, but I'm telling you, it's worth the investment. I have a guy that lives in another little area. He had a screen around his pool. Mosquitoes and nuisance were not even supposed to get through that screen. They did. They made it through there. He couldn't use his backyard. Kids couldn't use the pool. We even put this on his home. Hands down, they love it. They love it. But let me just show you the rest of this, and then I'll get into, I'll let you see it mist and watch how it works. But I just want to show you how we install this system, because wherever you want protection at is where you're going to put these nozzles. So we got it right here. Now we chose to come down through here. We ran it up underneath this deck to come up here on the other side of this, and it goes all the way around this fence, and we stop it right here. See that's a 90. See how that's a 90? It stops right here. All the other ones got the T-fitting on it. T-fitting. Okay, so we got it all the way around the fence. And you remember earlier I said we went up that wall and we came across this little area. So we came across here. We come down here and see there's one nozzle, 2 nozzles, 3, and then there's one more right here with a 90 on it as well, okay? We have approximately 20 nozzles on this house, and let's just say we're outside right now and we're like, man, we're getting eaten up. We need an extra spray. Here's where this little remote control comes in handy, okay? Now we have it set to mist manually for 30 seconds, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. See it misting. can move these up and down. Now that's literally all there is to this system. It's very simple. It's easy to set up. If that's something you want to do, you can buy this directly from Mr. Way. You can call me. I'll help you with the install. I'll help you lay it out. I'll help you with how many nozzles you may need. Or if you want to hire our company to do it, that's fine too. I'm here just to help you have a mosquito-free yard. Like I said, this is the most effective mosquito treatment we've ever seen. I go to people's houses. I see candles everywhere. I see bug spray everywhere. I see bug zappers, and none of them actually work. This system will not only kill mosquitoes, it'll take care of the no-see-ums, it'll take care of the yellow flies, it'll take care of the horse flies. I'm telling you, this is the best product I've ever seen. Let me get into 3 more things that I want to show you that's really going to help keep your yard mosquito free. Okay, and the first thing I want to talk to you about is source reduction. Mosquitoes, all they need is a cap full of water in order to reproduce. They reproduce in standing water, and so you need to go around your home and you need to see, do you have any bird baths? Do you have any old tires? Do you have any coolers that have water in it? Any flower pots that are holding water? Any areas around your house that are actually holding water? You need to dump those out. Okay, source reduction is going to be your #1 friend. Go around your home and eliminate any breeding areas of mosquitoes in and around your home, and that's going to definitely help you reducing the mosquito population in addition with this product, because if you don't do source reduction, it's always going to be a continuous thing. And so if we go ahead and reduce the breeding areas and coupled with this system, you're going to be great. Let's just say this system, it costs way too much money and you can't afford it. All right, well, I'm going to help you out right here. You can buy a product online. It's called ProFlex. Okay, ProFlex is actually right here. You can take a look at it. You can buy it on Amazon. It has an adulticide and 3 insect growth regulators. It will actually keep the mosquitoes from reproducing. Okay, and so ProFlex is a chemical that you can buy, and then you can put it in a pump-up sprayer and you can spray all of your plants. You would take that ProFlex and you would spray the leaves of all your plants, because those mosquitoes are going to hide up underneath the shady areas of all your shrubbery around your home. If you have a lot of shrubbery or vegetation around your home, it's going to be a great area for these mosquitoes to be hanging out during the day right now when it's hot. And so whenever it cools off during the day, they're going to come out, but they're hiding underneath all of these leaves, getting shade, being protected by the sun. So you can actually take that ProFlex and spray all of your shrubbery and even some of your trees, like this right here. So that's definitely going to help give you control these mosquitoes. But if you can do all this in addition to the system, man, you're golden. So you got the system, you got source reduction, and you also have the ProFlex spraying. You can do all that. And just say the system's just too much, then just start with source reduction and start with ProFlex, and you're going to be good. Now, I got one more thing that I want to show you, and a lot of people don't talk about this at all. Okay, I haven't seen very many videos about this when it comes to mosquitoes around the home, but it's this product right here. It's called Mosquito Bits. It's a quick kill for mosquitoes. It kills the larvae quickly within 24 hours before they're old enough to bite you. It also controls fungus gnats. This product right here is going to help you, especially if you have a lot of standing water around your home. Now, I know we talked about source reduction and turning over all those pots and coolers and tires and stuff like that. But just say you have a lot and it's just a lot to deal with. You can get this product right here. You can get these mosquito bites. You can get these mosquito bites, and you can see you can put it in areas that are standing in the water. See how they put it here? around the flower pot, or even in bird baths. It says right here, it can be used around people, pets, plants, fish, and livestock. You just take this product and you sprinkle it anywhere you have standing water. That could be a ditch, it could be a low area in your yard, it could be your bird bath, it could be those tires, it could be any area that's holding water around your home, and this is going to kill the mosquito larva. So when the mosquito go in to lay the egg in that water, it's going to prevent that larva from hatching out and becoming a biting adult, okay? And so why is this so important? Not only do mosquitoes ruin your backyard, ruin your fun and connection with your family and friends, your barbecues, your playtimes, it's also, they're the most deadly creature on the planet. They kill more people than any animal on the planet because of the diseases that they carry. So here's what we got. We got the most effective mosquito treatment that nobody talks about. That's going to be our misting system, hands down. Nobody's talking about it. That is my proven method of mosquito control. I love it. But you can also do other things, and that's going to be your source reduction, that's going to be the Proflex, and that's also going to be your mosquito bites or mosquito dunks that's going to kill the larvae. You do all of those, I'm telling you, it's a total game changer for you and your family. You'll be able to use your backyard every single day without hesitation, okay? Now listen, if you have any questions about mosquitoes or any of the bug, please let me know. I'll put them down in the comment chat below. I would love to hear from you. I'll get back to you, I promise. Hey, so thank you for watching this video, and God bless.